Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday, Fed Wednesday pre-market webcast. Okay, so let's just get this part out of the way real fast. You've got the tape before the Fed, and you're going to have the tape after the Fed. So really what we talk about here is not going to apply to a whole hell of a lot, and I'm not going to sit here and play, what's the Fed going to do? I don't know what the Fed's going to do something. And we'll end up with a reaction range with a high and a low, and it'll make higher lows or lower highs out of that reaction range, and we'll trade it, like we always do. The one admonishment I have been giving you people for 10 years is do not try to game the Fed. Don't make any assumptions about what the Fed is going to do or not do. No big bets at 159. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you're right, you'll bail. And you'll be smart, you'll tell everybody this, that, but you'll bail. And if you're wrong, you'll probably add. And you'll turn a little hunch of a trade into some gigantic disaster of a swing trade. It happens all the time. Don't let it happen to you. So what's going on with the tape? Well, the Bears didn't have a good day again yesterday. They're not having a good day again today. They keep giving up higher lows. 4,000 is sealing off as support. 3,900 sealed off as support 2 sessions ago. We are above all of the exponential moving averages now. And they took what should have been daily mid-band resistance back on Monday, and we're in the middle of a walk-up. And we talked about the interaction between hourly mid-band and price. We didn't get one yesterday. Nothing bearish about that. And we got a little one overnight there, and it's trying to hold. So you see things here. You got the 50-day here and some other things. We did get kind of sort of that test of 4,000, but not really. 4,003 half at about 11 a.m. I felt that with the front month daily middle band, so the June contract daily middle band sitting at, basically it was sitting at 4,000 all day, that it really needed a look. And it came close-ish, but not quite. So it came, here's the front month. Here, you can see these bands getting a little bit tight. And I would expect the bands to stay tight into 2 o'clock. And then, obviously, compression, we're going to get some expansion. Which way? I don't know. Neither do you. Neither does the guy on Twitter. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Your Uber driver doesn't know. Nobody knows. Everybody has an opinion, but opinion is not price. Stick with price. I've got hourly mid-band 40.34. Volume weighted average price, proprietary moving average, 5-minute mid-band are all jammed in between basically 33.5 and 35. When we are trading 35.75 right now. So that's going to be a thing. 19 handle Globeck range. We are in wait and see mode. Don't overtrade into the Fed, especially if this thing doesn't want to move. I would love nothing better than to sit in the runner I've got that we put on in the afternoon down at 1475, 15 area, and just let the damn thing work. And then we'll figure out 2 o'clock at 2 o'clock. Don't overtrade into the Fed. That's all I've got. That's all I got. Don't blow yourself up in the course of the next 5 hours trying to make something out of nothing. Don't guess what the Fed's going to do. And then look for the reaction range. Higher lows, lower highs, breakout, breakdown. That's 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. All right. Have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.